but you looks good.
The Goode reinterprets the historical context of the Distillery District for a 21st century audience. Being the architecture firm responsible for many of the buildings in the district, we worked with Greywood to design a building that integrates seamlessly into the community, echoing the 19th century industrial and residential buildings all around. A sleek 32-story glass tower rises above a 9-story red brick base where a grid of recessed balconies and steel-framed windows recall the masonry piers and local warehouses. The western face of the tower reflects a lively pattern, with glazed screening that extends to the ends of the balconies. The balconies on the remaining 3 facades are wrapped with continuous glass, creating a ribbed effect that stands out against the skyline. Situated at the south end of the district, on Parliament Street, the Goode offers spectacular views across the city and the lake, an elevated lifestyle for future forward living.
We just can't help it.